You too. Alright, so as y'all boys can see, we got the 7th gen, 2nd gen, whatever y'all want to call it, right? We got my baby. Today is finally the day, bro, to get rid of these hoes right here. As I can see, she dirty. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's cold as hell outside. This man Isaiah just opened up the garage. But as y'all boys can see though, man, it is finally time. You know what I'm saying? This is really the last piece to the car. But as y'all boys can see, boom, we got the headlights right here. And pretty much we just finna install these joints on the 2nd gen, bro. I'm gonna call it the car the 2nd gen for this video. 7th gen is really what it is, but I don't give a fuck. So, boom, this is what we got right here. Isaiah hasn't seen them yet, so he don't know for real, chat. He don't know. Y'all ain't seen them either, but I'm gonna show them to y'all real quick. Y'all ready? By the way, shout out to Court, bro. Court got me these, actually. These actually... some of them know who Court is. Some of them don't. Boom. These are the lights right here. As y'all boys can see. Y'all ready to see what jumps I got? Boom. Now, I know what y'all saying. Hold up. Boom. I know what y'all saying. Y'all probably like, bro, everybody got these. Fun fact, like, I was gonna get them at first, but then I seen a lot of people, bro, with them headlights, and I was just like, I kind of don't know if I want them or not. But I ain't gonna lie, I kind of got to a point where it was just like, I'm building a car for myself. Even though it was some other headlights I seen that was low-key kind of hard, I was gonna try to be different with them. But I was kind of just like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm kind of building a car for myself. I don't care if everybody got the same shit. I'm building it the way that I want to build it. So these are the ones that I originally wanted when I first had the thought of even getting this car right here. These were the headlights that I wanted, so these are the ones that we're gonna get on here today. So bye. And yo, bro, I have been trying to get this off. Oh dang, it's actually coming off now. Okay, whatever. But at first that mess would not come off. I don't know why, but it's coming off now, so shit, I'm happy about that. But these lights are actually pretty like good. Like, it's a small crack right here. If this is even a crack, I don't even think this is a crack. Wait. No, it's not even a crack. Them shit are like that. I did not know that. Wait, let me see. Oh, yup, because it's on these ones too. I thought this was always a crack, so that's not a crack. So these shit still, like, they're not brand new, but they still clean. They ain't got no fog to them or nothing. If they look kind of foggy, it's because it's freaking, like, foggy as hell outside, my nigga. Like, you can barely see in front of you type fog. Alright, so boom. I'm gonna pop these off. Ooh, too cold to be plastic, boy. If you know, you know. That's one. I'm finna show y'all how to break these little charges down and shit. Oh. Nah, I'm trolling. This shit ain't broke. That's one. Boom. Show how to break these little charges down, man. Y'all ain't even new to me. I'm true to this shit, bro. No bullshit. Alright, put the hoe to the side. Like that. Boom, right. Cool. As y'all boys can see. Damn, nigga, we already at the goddamn... Just gotta snatch the bumper off and then we good. Cause look. The question is, do we have these sizes? That's the problem that we about to run into. Let me look around real quick to see if I can find this last size. If we don't got this size, trust me, I got some pliers. That bitch coming off either way. All right, so we over this bitch multitasking. Isaiah over there taking the side of that bumper off. And then, boom, just take these hoes. Snap these little motherfuckers off right here.
I do not miss doing this.
Nigga, I swear.
The car is low this time, bro. At first we had a humongous gap. We could just easily slide the jump in there.
Do I need to turn my wheel?
Yeah, I prefer it.
All right, hold on. Ooh, shit. Hey, y'all, it's cold as a bitch outside. Like, no funny shit. It's cold as fuck. Let's see. Let's put the... Can these shits roll off? I don't think so. All right, we gonna put these headlight jumps at the top. That's two. To the right, you said?
Yeah.
Let me know when to stop. I'm good?
Yeah.
My fault, y'all. I gotta kind of get back used to vlogging and shit. But I got so many fucking videos and vlogs and all type of shit, but they ain't came out yet. I ain't gonna lie. I be busy, tired, and lazy. Last night, I really pushed like myself to the limits. I ain't gonna lie, fool. I was tired as hell last night. My fault, I keep having y'all down here. I was tired as hell last night, bro. And I still went, edited a video. Back to this shit. So, boom, what y'all wanna do is, right? Damn, I gotta figure out which way I got this hoe. Hold on, give me a second. Wrong way. Boom. Alright, boom. You wanna take this hoe, put that hoe in there. Boom.
If it break, it break. What you do?
Hold on now, nigga. Get to my if it break, whoop-de-doo. Let me do that to your car. Just like, fuck it, Isaiah. Let me stand on one of your subs. And if that bitch break, shit, fuck it.
I promise you, I'm gonna have 4 Hellcat wheels.
Nigga, shut the fuck up. Alright, boom. So, as y'all boys can see, we got all them hoes out right here. Now, we got Isaiah over here. He fucking with the screws on the side of the bumper. And then after that shit, this bitch gonna fall straight off. So I kind of want to be ready for it. Oh, shit. Oh, the shit that we do, boy. No cap.
In the cold. Why is always
In the cold. It's always, bro. Every, like, look mod I done did damn near was in the cold. Besides, what? That spoiler.
Yep.
Everything else has been done in the cold, bro. Like, we out this
Wheels
bitch.
cold. Bumpers cold.
Freezing.
That please don't put a screw under it.
Oh, fuck.
I need a 5-second break in the house, man. I can't fit one though.
Oh, bitch.
Could.
Oh, yeah, I need a thumbnail.
You can just throw that when I come back.
Yeah, for sure. Hell yeah. All right, so it's supposed to see though. Hold on. That bitch really look like a straight up. This bitch really looks stolen. No bullshit. Y'all probably, I have people ask me, what the fuck was this? This is actually a police horn. They got this shit spliced up going somewhere in the, I'm pretty sure this shit leads to like a wiring harness or some shit. Who the fucking knows? And it should go somewhere. But yeah, that's actually a fucking police horn. Fun fact. What else? Oh yeah, people asking me like, bro, why your shit don't got no fog lights? I do have fog lights. I just got the bitches wrapped up in there. I wrapped them up in there because I didn't have the brackets for the fog lights. So it was kind of just like, I ain't about to sit right here and, you feel me, do all the extra ass shit for no reason at all. You feel me? Like at the moment, I didn't have them, so it was kind of just pointless. But I was like, fuck it. I don't have them right now. That's cool. Matter of fact, nah, I'm gonna just wait for Isaiah for this thumbnail. Fuck no. But yeah, nigga, we working, bro. Whew. Look at that. That bitch look like a beast. Oh my god. Second gen without the front bumpers is fucking beautiful. But also, while we wait on Isaiah, we should low-key be taking off that motherfucker right there. I think that's the last one. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so as our boys can see, we done pretty much, no, I won't gonna snatch them bitches off yet, twin.
I won't. I'm moving out the way.
That bitch is pretty much on. As our boys can see, oh, that bitch is looking beautiful. Look like Isaiah struggling and shit. Let me help Isaiah
Come on,
out
dude.
like I usually do.
See. You need to put that joint in all the way, son.
This nigga. That bitch wouldn't have came out if I would have did it though. That's what I'm saying, twin. Look.
Here we go. Look at that jump. Go. Twist. Just like that, son. There you go. Push your head right back up. Don't know how this jump go.
This guy. Alright, nigga, just stop.
Yeah.
There's some Mopar shit here, Chevy owner. Let you stick to your Z01s.
Now look at you.
Big Ratty. Oh, we actually gotta take this shit off. Fuck, I don't want to take this shit off yet.
Don't take it off the bottom yet. Or is it all the way in the way? Ah, my hand's cold.
So bitch. Yeah, nah, all this shit gotta come off. Alright, man, y'all niggas goddamn show these niggas, bro. Taking this shit off, bro. Damn. That bitch.
Chat, y'all see what this is,
sexy.
bro? It's 37, cloudy, cold, and you got me outside. No sun out. Well, the sun's trying to poke out, but still.
You ain't talking about no sun out. Oh shit. Hold on, man. What the fuck?
There you go. Hold like that. See, if I catch frostbite, I blame this guy.
This ain't frostbite weather, trust me.
My hands is freezing. I can't move my hands. It's still snow on the car, bro. It's cold.
Lefty Lucy, righty tighty, nigga. Don't know about that.
He said I don't know about that, but I'm the one that gave him the tool to fix this. And they calling for snow tomorrow.
I'm not gonna wash my shit if they gonna call for snow tomorrow. That's just fucking stupid.
Your headlight's still on. I can't give you a jump either.
Nigga, I'm good. Nigga, look, hey, shout out to Reese. Hey, Reese fixed, remember point the camera at me. Remember when I told y'all niggas, like, my shit used to flicker? Yeah, Reese fixed that. Appreciate that shit, Reese. And look, hey, Reese. That nigga goddamn, that one dude that had that BTR cam goddamn 5.7, you feel me? That nigga still got that bit. Tell nigga I give him my motor and like 500 on that bit. He fuck with the kid, yeah. And then I give you like 500 to put that bitch in. Nigga, shut the fuck up. Nah, nigga probably like 500. What the fuck?
You gotta put the
I'll
never
take
mind.
my shit to Reese. I'll let Reese do it.
Hold on,
That
that
other
jump.
nigga? Hell nah.
Bro, you in the way, bro. Watch out, bro.
Hold on, twin.
Your headlights is so dirty now compared to them jumps.
Oh yeah, we gotta shoot this thumbnail too.
Trying to shoot a thumbnail. It's cold outside, bro. Cold
Winter
outside.
is working season.
It's cold.
My nose
outside,
running
bro.
and shit, bro.
Like, it's cold outside, bro.
Man, get this work, bitch ass nigga.
It's cold, bro.
Show these niggas, bro.
This is the first time Dink ever did something like this, bro. Every time it's somebody's bumper, bro, he called me.
Cap.
Dick rider. You nigga go to jail for that shit, huh? You know that? Hey, long as you know. That's why his ass quiet, y'all. That's why.
Come on, chat.
He know he can go to jail for that shit.
Like, I'm like fast like Nick of the group. I got all the cars that barely run.
Man, I ain't
Man,
hit the
you
lottery for 5 million either.
You like
You hit the lottery.
SRT land.
Then you hit the. You a dick rider. Only niggas who watch them gonna understand what you just said.
No, it's supposed to be like that, I think. Yeah, it's like that on this side too. Yo, it's them UPS hard working hands.
Swear to God. My hands was actually worse than this at one point. I put lotion on, so it kind of had, like, it hid a lot of shit. Put my phone down.
That John, watch that, bro. You see the difference, chat?
That bitch looking sick.
Alright, man, as y'all can see. Damn, these shits are overly bright. Hold on. Put the brightness down for y'all. So y'all can see them a little bit. But yeah, this is what we looking like right now.
I ain't gonna lie, I didn't even end that last video, so that's why I started it. Like, it's a whole other day. This damn near been like 3 days, 4 days, probably a little bit longer than that, honestly, since I didn't have these shits on. No, I ain't gonna lie, it might have been longer than that. It's probably been like a week now, maybe. I don't know. But this what this shit looking like. It's been a little minute. I just realized as I was editing the video. Oh nah, he's wilding. As I was editing the video, I'm like, damn, bro, I ain't even give y'all no outro. But that's what we looking like right now, man. As y'all can see though, that shit looks crazy. Oh my God. Oh, twin tripping. Y'all hear that nigga right there? But hell yeah though, this is what we looking like right now. Shit, bro. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. We got more stuff coming for the car, so be ready for that. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I'm out this young man. Peace out.